A, B, C with sea animals, presented by Mac Tech Studio. A for anchovy. Anchovy are small oily fish. B for blue whale. Blue whales are largest marine animals. C for corals. Corals provide food and shelter to sea animals. D for dolphin. Dolphin makes sounds like we do. E for elephant seals. They are largest living animals. They are found in North America. F for flounder. Flounder fish change color according to the environment. G for giant squid. Giant squid can be up to 43 feet long. H for halibut. Halibut is the largest flat fish. It is in diamond shape. I for irukandji. Irukandji is the poisonous jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft. They have tentacles. K for killer whale. Killer whales are black and white colored whales. L for lionfish. Lionfish has red and white stripes on it. M for mussel. Mussels are in shape of shell. We get pearls from them. N for narwhal. Narwhal have a long tusk like unicorn. O for octopus. Octopus have long body and 8 arms. P for pufferfish. Pufferfish inflate like balloon when they are scared. Q for queen conch. It is big snail. It is found in tropical areas. R for ringed seals. Ringed seal are small seal. They are found in Antarctica. S for starfish. Starfish are in the shape of star. They crawl on tiny tube feet. T for tiger shark. Tiger shark is dangerous and can be up to 16 feet wide. U for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish have a horn-like protrusion on their head. V for viper fish. They have long and sharp teeth just like viper. W for walrus. Walrus is large. It has tusk and whiskers. X for Ziphoshura. They are the longest living animal. Y for yellow tang. Yellow tang are small, bright yellow-colored fish. Z for zebrafish. Zebrafish have spots and stripes on them. That's all for today. Want more of these? Subscribe to Mac Tech Studio.